Mathematics 4. Records favorable outcomes in a simple experiment, like such as tossing coin, spinning a wheel, and etc. These are the objectives of the lesson. Understand the concept of probability through examples. Engage in activities involving physical manipulation of objects, such as tossing coins, spinning a wheel. And appreciate the concept of probability and its applications in real-life scenarios. Review. Directions. Use the data on the graph to solve the problems. Questions. How many items does each quiz have? Number 2. What is her highest score? And lastly, number 3 question. What is Catherine's average score in quizzes? Motivation. Directions. Choose one picture and arrange the jumbled letters using the picture clues. So the first picture, second, and third picture we have here. Okay, so let's start with the second picture. What is this? Arrange these jumbled letters using the picture clue. So the correct answer is spinning wheel. Next, we have tossing coin. And lastly, we have the rolling dice. In her English class, Miss Carmyy gave an activity. The names of the days of the week were written on the flashcards, which were then placed in a basket. The students were asked to pick a card from the basket. Kylie was the first to pick a flashcard. What is the probability that she would pick a card showing a day that begins with S? So these are the days of the week. They have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So the question is, what is the probability that she would pick a day that begins with S? What is probability? So let's discuss first what is probability. Probability is the chance or likelihood that an event will happen. It is the ratio of the number of ways an event can occur to the number of total possible outcomes. So the probability is equals to number of outcomes of an event divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Number 2. How many days are there in a week? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 days. What day starts with S? We have the Sunday and the Saturday. So we have 2 days that start with letter S. How many days start with S? We have 2, which is the Sunday and Saturday. So what is the probability that she would pick a day that begins with letter M? So again, how many days are there in a week? We have 7 days. What day starts with M? We only have 1, which is the Monday. How many days start with M? 1. What is the chance that she would pick a day that begins with R? Is there a day that begins with R? Meron ba? We have S, M, T, W, T, F, and S. So basically 0 because there is no R that begins. There is no day that begins with letter R. So therefore, the chance that she would pick a day that begins with R is 0 out of 0, or there is no or 0. This is also called zero probability. This is an event that is impossible to happen. So let's have a teamwork. Don't forget the important reminders in teamwork. The word SMART. S is for start with a plan. Members should cooperate, always do your best, respect each other's ideas, and time management. Read the instructions carefully. After doing the activity, choose one from your group who will present to the front your finished task. So here is the rubrics for group activity. We have 5, 4, and 3. So the criteria here is, the first criteria is cooperation and teamwork. Members have untasked responsibilities, and time management, finish on time with complete data. Computations scores 4 to 5 points, and presentation, report the output clearly in organized way. So if you get 5 for each criteria, you will get 20 points. So for the group 1, we have here the coin toss. Directions. Read and record the probability in a given problem. Problem 1. Number 1. Get a 1 peso coin, toss the coin, put mark in a tally column. Do this experiment 10 times, add the tally marks and write the number in the frequency column. Number 5. Express the probability using the given formula. Out of 15 times, how many times did the tail show up? Out of 15 times, how many times did the head show up? Group 2, spin the roulette. Read and record the probability in a given problem. Make a cardboard roulette as shown. Spin the roulette. Put mark in a tally column. Do this experiment 10 times. Add the tally marks and write the number in the frequency column. Group 3, pick the pen. Ian has 4 pens of different colors inside the pocket of his bag. One is blue, 2 are red, and 1 is black. Without looking at them, Ian will pick 1 pen from the pocket of his bag. So, here are the questions. What is the probability that he will get a black pen? Number 2, is there a possibility that he will pick an orange pen? Why? Number 3, what is the probability that he will get a blue pen? Number 4, what is the probability that he will pick a yellow pen? And number 5, how many possible outcomes are there in picking a pen and why? For the group number 4, tossing a die, solve the following problems. Get a die, tossing a die, tally the outcome, do the tossing 10 times, and find the probability of rolling a die. So next proceed with another activity. Directions. The letters of the word mathematics are placed in a box. Give the probability in fractional form. So here is the word mathematics. Questions. If you are to pick one, what is the probability of picking letter M? Number 2 question. How many possible outcomes are there? Number 3 question. What are the possible outcomes of picking vowels? List them down. Number 4 question. What is the probability of picking consonants? And for the last question, is there a chance that you can pick letter N and why? Directions. What are the steps in recording possible outcomes or probability? Arrange the sequence from 1 to 5. Directions. Read the questions carefully and write the letter of the correct answer. Use whiteboard in answering. Number 1 question. What is the chance that letter A will be picked from the given cards? Is it letter A, 1, letter B, 1/2, letter C, 1/3, or letter D, 1/4? Number 2 question. If you rolled a 6-sided dice, what is the favorable outcome of rolling an even number? Is it letter A, 3/6 or 1/2, letter B, 2/6 or 1/3, letter C, 5/6, or letter D, 1? Number 3 question. If you flip a coin, what is the chance it will land on a head? Is it letter A, 0.0.5, letter B, 1/4, letter C, 1/2, letter D, 3/4? Number 4 question. There are red, yellow, and green cards in a box. What is the probability of selecting a blue one? Is it letter A, 0, letter B, 1/4, letter C, 1/3, or letter D, 1/2? For the last question, number 5, if you flip 2 coins, how many favorable outcomes that both will land on tails? Is it 0/4, or letter B, 1/2, or letter C, 2/3, 2/4, or 1/2, or letter D, 3/4?